letter E. It's Elsa.
Yes, it is. What's your name?
My name Aarohi.
Aarohi. Hello, how are you?
I am fine. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Hello. Let's see, Aarohi. How old are you?
5.
5. Wow.
5 years old.
5 years old. And do you have a brother?
I don't have brother. Its sister is 6 months.
Oh, 6 months? That's so little. Wow. Yeah. Wow. Very good.
You can hear?
I think I heard her. She was crying a little. Yes, I hear her. Yes. All right. Aarohi, where do you live?
India.
India? Nice. And what is the weather like?
It's like winter and there's so many things, and outside is very cloudy.
Very cloudy? Okay. Do you like cloudy?
No, I like sunny and
Okay.
snow.
Yeah, and snow? You like snow?
Yes.
Yes. I like snow too.
I don't like clouds.
Yeah. Very good.
Have you seen this animal before?
What animal?
I almost see on the village.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What is it?
Is a hen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A hen or a rooster.
Yeah. It is a rooster. It's called Baru.
Rooster of
It
Barcelos.
It is a symbol of our country. It's come from Africa.
Famous.
From a famous old story.
Yes, very good. All right. Can you read these?
Complete the delicious.
Yeah,
Okay.
complete the
Look,
dialogue.
Kitty, you can keep playing video games. You have homework to do. Okay?
Good. What does she say?
My mom.
Yeah. What would you say?
My mom. I will do it now. Can I have a snack? No. No snack allowed. Can you? Oh, you can.
You can.
You can.
Yeah. Okay. Maybe yes, you can.
Okay. You can. There are some cookies on the table.
Yay! Good job. I like it.
Okay.
Okay.
Complete the delicious.
Dialogue.
Katie, are you done with your homework? Okay. I am. I doesn't know the answer for this question. Can you help me?
Okay.
Yes, you can.
She says, I can't help you.
Yes, you can. I can help you with that. The allowed like to help the parents can't help. I am sorry.
Yeah.
Yes, I am sorry. I can't help you with that. I allowed like to help, but parents can't
Help.
can't help you with that. Full stop. I allowed like to help, but parents can't help.
Good job. Very good.
Good job! Thank you. Please take this. What instrument does it look like? How do you think you play it?
Good. What does it look like?
It looks like guitar.
Yeah, and you play it like this. Yeah, right? Yeah. Let's see.
It is special guitar.
Uh-huh.
It using with a folky music called fulta.
Fado. Good. Very good. All right.
Act it out. Your tutor will present to be a person on the right in the picture.
And you pretend to be the person
Okay,
on the left.
okay, you. What are you doing?
It's okay. Can you pretend to be the
Can
person
you
on the left?
pretend to be the person on the left and express your feel using the words below? Next one is okay. Let's start on the next side.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, look what you did.
And so I'm sorry that my soccer ball broke the fields.
Good. Are we going to make it?
Are we going to make it?
What does he say?
He said.
What do you think?
I'm so sorry.
Yeah?
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, we're not.
I am sorry. I am correct.
Good. Okay. Good. All right. She says,
I want to play more games.
and what does mom say?
Of course.
Yeah? Mom says, yes, you can play more games?
No games. The eyes become very red.
Yeah. So maybe she says, unfortunately, you can't.
Okay. Unfortunately, you can't.
Good. Very good. Hey, amazing.
Amazing! Wonderful! This is for you. What color do you see in the flag? What do you think is in the center?
Good. Okay. What colors do you see?
I found circle yellow, and this one is red and dot yellow, and inside the this is blue, and outside is the line. green and red.
Yes, very good. All right. What does she say?
It is our flag. It is green and red. There is a Z in the
Center. Good. Yeah, so this is the shield.
Yes.
Yes. All right. Let's see.
Okay.
What do you say
What do you say?
when you are late for school?
You. What do you mean? What do you say when you are late for school? Why?
Yeah. What do you say when you are late for school?
I'm so sorry.
Yeah. Yeah. Good. What do you say when your parents want you to study more?
Once my parents. Okay. One, two. Okay. What do you say when your parents? Yes, of course.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Want you to study more? Why?
I say,
Yes, of course.
yes, of course. Good.
Next
Mhm.
one.
Yeah.
What do you say when your friends find out you hold them a line? What allowed be
Reason.
line a person for you to tell a lie.
Right. Good.
Right.
What would you say?
Unfortunately.
Yeah, you'd say, unfortunately, I lied. All right. And next?
Okay. What do you say when something asks you if you like to study English? Why? Mm, I think unfortunately.
Unfortunately?
No,
Actually.
actually.
Yeah.
Now ask your tutor some question.
Do you have some questions?
Yeah, of course. And unfortunately, and why, of course. I'm sorry. And redoing.
Okay.
Okay. And actually,
Yeah.
actually, next time.
Okay. Okay.
Nice job. Thank you so much. This is for you. It's a pet. Let's fix the balloon.
Yay!
Wait with your tutor. Great work, we fixed it. I think I know where we are.
Do you know where we are?
I think on the beach.
Okay. Here.
Here
Are.
are all the clues. Can you guess where we are?
We are in
Portugal.
Portugal.
The capital of Portugal is
Lisbon.
Lisbon.
Good.
Number 2. Portugal is one of the homes continental the countries are built.
In Europe.
Good.
And
Number
3?
3. People are personally eat the most seafood in
Europe.
Okay, good.
Yeah. People in Portugal.
Now, anything else about personally
Portugal.
personal? Do you want to visit what allow you see or do you there?
Do you like Portugal?
Yeah, I like
Yeah.
that.
Yeah. Me too. I think it's very nice.
Inside white design. Let's add a stamp to your passport.
Yes. All right.
Thank you for your help. See you next time.
Good job. All right. Aarohi, good job today. Look, you have 5 stars.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
Yes, 5 stars. All right. Good job. Goodbye.
Goodbye.